Welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you how to convert a MOV file into an MP4 file. Let's get into it. I've got the MOV video file right here. As you can see, if I right click on the video file, go properties, you can see it's an MOV file. Okay, to change that, what we want to do is open up any folder. We then want to click on view, go down to show, and then you want to click on file name extensions. Click on that. You can minimize the folder. Now all your files will have the type of file in the name. So what we want to do is rename the file by selecting the MOV part and then deleting it and typing in MP4. Then you want to hit enter. It's going to ask you, are you sure if you want to change the file name extension? Click yes. And it's as easy as that. Now when we right click on the file, go properties, you can see it is now a MP4 file. So that's it for this tutorial. If it did help, please hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. Let me know what other tutorial videos you want to see on the channel. And that is it from me. Peace out.